Welcome to SearchGPT. Today, we'll deploy an AI assistant in just 3 minutes. Let's start by logging in. Once logged in, click on Continue to get started. Next, we'll select a use case for our bot. Today, we'll be creating Ask GPT, so I'll select that. Now, let's give our bot a cool name. A welcoming message.
As I mentioned, try for dress for haldi. I think this one should give a good one.
And add some suggestion messages.
That is also good.
You can also upload an awesome image, choose the shape, and then click on Finish Setup. And ta-da! Our assistant is ready.
Yeah, haldi.
Next, let's add the knowledge source. Today, we'll use our website as the source, so we will select Website. Just enter the website URL. Depending on your use case, you can set the maximum depth and choose to include or exclude specific pages. Once done, click Submit. And that's it! Ingestion has started. You'll receive a notification via email once it's done. It's successful! Wow, that was pretty fast. Now, let's try out our bot in the playground.
That is also an issue.
Perfect! We got a beautiful response from our assistant. Our bot is ready in under 3 minutes. Sounds awesome, right? But wait, there's more! The platform offers customization options. You can delete your bot if needed, but nah, I'm not doing that. In this, we can also update the assistant's name, color, welcome message, and more too. And even enable extra features like suggestions, chat history, or tweak settings like temperature and response type and more. Alright, now it's time to shine some light on things. You can easily analyze the bot's performance by reviewing its metrics, including chat messages, chat sessions, and feedback analysis.
No, bro. Like that.
And guess what? Integration is even easier with support for multiple sources. Now, let's take a sneak peek at the chat history, where you can see your bot's conversations and the feedback it's received. Also, you can check out any corrections made to the responses, although none have been needed yet. And explore your plan details all in one place. And that's it! Your bot is up and running, ready to assist.